Hello friends, welcome to Infinity. Friends, our Earth is really a very special place cause it's the only planet where life has formed. But in the scale of space-time, it is nothing. As our Earth and other 7 planets are rotating around Sun, thus trillions of other stars are rotating around Milky Way. In that very way, millions of galaxies create a local cluster, and millions of local clusters form galactic cluster. At last, thousands of galactic clusters create the massive Laniakea supercluster. It is one of the greatest supercluster in our universe. Actually, Laniakea is a Hawaiian word which means heaven. Before we talk about Laniakea supercluster, we have to know what is supercluster. As our planets are attracted by our sun, thus if millions of galaxies remain in connection with each other, it is called galactic cluster. And if thousands of galactic clusters are influenced by any central object, it is called supercluster. We called Laniakea supercluster as local supercluster. Laniakea supercluster is formed by millions of galaxies like our Milky Way. Scientists believe that there might be 1 crore supercluster in our universe. Now, if you want to observe Laniakea supercluster, you can find it in the triangular austral and Norma constellation in the southern sky. The Laniakea supercluster is spread in crores of light years, and the mass of the supercluster is 10 to the power 17 times greater in comparison to that of Milky Way. Laniakea supercluster is classified in 4 parts. These are Virgo supercluster, Hydra Centaurus supercluster, Pavo Indus supercluster, and Southern supercluster. Before this, scientists assume these 4 superclusters as different superclusters, but later they all are included into a single Laniakea supercluster. At first, I'm talking about Virgo supercluster. This supercluster is made of Virgo and local cluster. Our Milky Way and our neighbor Andromeda galaxies are the part of this supercluster. It is spread in 11 crore light years. Second is Hydra Centaurus supercluster. It is divided into 2 superclusters, Hydra and Centaurus superclusters. The most important fact is that here present the great attractor. Today I am not speaking of great attractor. If you want to know about it, write it in the comment section. Actually, the great attractor is present in the zone of avoidance. For the space dust of Milky Way, there is a part of universe which is totally invisible in the telescope. It is called the zone of avoidance. Number 3 is Pavo Indus supercluster. It has such a name cause from Earth we can see this in 2 constellations named Pavo and Indus. Pavo Indus is located at 30 crore light years distance from our Earth, and it is spread in 21 crore light years. The famous Norma cluster is a part of this cluster. The Norma cluster is very bright, and there are too many galaxies in the cluster. But for zone of avoidance, we can't observe it clearly. In this cluster, there is a very interesting galaxy ESO 137001. The speciality of this galaxy is that it rotates around its cluster center at a speed of 70 lakh km per hour. On the other hand, Milky Way is just rotating around its cluster center at a speed of 20 lakh km per hour. Because of this, the hot gases in the galaxy is breaking down all the objects and throws them outside its body. Because of this, there is a tail of 2.6 lakh light years long in ESO 137001. These kinds of galaxies are called jellyfish galaxies. Scientists believe that for this phenomena, the amount of cold gases starts to decrease inside the galaxies, and this process of new star formation inside the galaxy stops totally. At last, there is southern cluster in which we see the star Sirius, which is the brightest star of all the sky. It glows as a mighty diamond of the winter nights. Now these 4 superclusters are connected with each other cause they are rotating around the same object, but they are not gravitationally bounded. That's why scientists believe that one day dark energy will separate all these 4 clusters and Laniakea superclusters will be no more. but scientists believe that there might be another object around which other superclusters, including Laniakea supercluster, is rotating. Actually, friends, our universe is endless, infinite. It would never be possible for human beings to explore the whole universe. So today, if you have learned something new and different, give a like to the video and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching.